welcome back to my channel. I am Kushal and today in this video I shall guide you step by step on how to fill the registration form of Google Academic 2025 Chatbot 2. If you are confused or stuck at any point, don't feel it. I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, go to the description and click on the link and just enter. You can see the facilitator form and just go through it and then click on the email, and then there are some images of swags that are you get after completing this chatbot. You simply click next. The second page opens and there are some instructions about the terms and conditions. You go through all of this and then just click yes and just click yes, I accept the terms, and then click next. Third page is all about your personal details like email address, your full name. There will be just a tip that provide a valid email address that you check regularly. This is where you shall receive the updates of this chatbot. Okay, just fill some details. So there are email address, then your full name, then your gender, country, and what identifies you the best. Means if you are a student, just click, and after that year of graduation, and then you have a referral code. If yes, then select yes. As you know, then select no. In my personal opinion, go through the referral code yes. So I just fill my personal information in it. Then select the year of graduation, and then if you have a referral code, then click yes. The fourth part of this form is a referral code that you get by your facilitator team. I have the referral code, so I enter it. You will just add an account with no few batches completion. Okay, so my personal opinion for that, you can create your own new email ID, so can you get the notification regularly basis and you can check it. Also you can complete the batches and that's from new, because somehow the current email address or your official email addresses are not much more efficient for that. So just my personal opinion is to create a new email address for each accurate. Although you can go with your regular email address also. Just click yes. Okay, on the next page you can see enter your GCSB profile URL. What is that? So nothing is more, just click on the Google Cloud Boost, then just click sign in with your account. After just continue. So enter your date of birth, then just click I accept, and here is your Skill Cloud Boost account is ready. Now where is your public URL? So don't worry, I shall be guiding you. For your public URL, just go on your profile. You can see your settings, and after setting, here is your information. Then just click on the public profile, make my profile public, and just click on the update setting. After a few seconds, your public link is generated by the Google automatic. Just click it later, so don't worry about it. Just copy and paste in this section. Yeah, just paste next. Okay, the next page is acknowledgement. So just click on the I acknowledge, and we just submit. Okay, after submitting the form, in some 2 or 3 days you will get an email confirmation of it. Okay, so I got the email. Yep, the copy of the email is sent to me. Okay, there are some guided videos. Okay, that means my registration for the Academic Facilitator 2025 Chatbot 2 is completed, and I confirm. You can change the URL. Okay, many students have the question about who is the facilitator for this. And the simple answer is, if your college or campus has a facilitator, you may be asked to enter their name or facilitator code. If you don't know it, check with your class group or leave it blank if optional. So got it, and that's it. You have successfully registered for the Google Academic 2025 Chatbot 2. All the best for your journey ahead. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with your friends who are also applying. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.